Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews on the latest gadgets. Today, we're diving into the SOWO portable Bluetooth speaker, a powerhouse of sound in a compact package. Stick around as we uncover why this speaker might just be the best wired speaker option for your needs. First off, let's talk about the sound quality. With its tweeter and bass boost technology, the SOWO speaker delivers a rich, immersive sound that's sure to impress. Whether you're out camping with friends or just chilling at home, this speaker fills the room with crystal clear audio and deep, thumping bass. But what sets the SOWO speaker apart from the competition? Well, for starters, its Party Boom technology allows you to pair multiple speakers together for an even bigger sound experience. Plus, with its waterproof design and long battery life, you can take the party anywhere without worrying about a thing. In conclusion, the SOWO portable Bluetooth speaker ticks all the boxes for what you'd want in a wireless speaker. Exceptional sound quality, rugged durability, and versatile connectivity options. So, if you're in the market for the best wired speaker out there, look no further than the SOWO portable Bluetooth speaker. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on the latest tech. Until next time, happy listening.